So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your WordPress post by using password. So for if I come to my website, so as you can see that my all posts are visible, so it's public, so anyone can see the post. So if I want to make it password protected, so I can go to WordPress admin dashboard, then go to the posts, and then click on posts. Okay, in the right side you can see the visibility. Click on password protected, make a password. Okay, then press OK, press update. So if I am going to reload my WordPress website, so you can see the post has been protected, so there is no excerpt because this is a protected post. So if I come to the inside the post, so you can see the password field. So if I give the password that I given while making it password protected, so if I give the password then enter, I will show the content. So if we are gonna make it from home page, so if we can see the password field here, so it will be amazing, right? So we are gonna make how you can add password field in home page. So let's see. So for that you have to go to the accept option. So we can write a condition here, which is if not post password required. So which means, so if the post has no password required, it has show the excerpt, it has show the excerpt. Otherwise it will show the else, it will show the get the password form, get the password form. So you have to add an echo here, otherwise it won't show. Okay, so if the post password required is not available, you have to show the excerpt, otherwise you have to show the password form. So we make it in index.php, so it will show on in our home page. So reload this. So as you can see, the password protection password field is showing here. So if I give the password 1234, so the sorry, the password, maybe I give the wrong password, so enter. So the post is excerpt is now showing. So if I come to the inside the website, so the content is showing. So this is how you can manage a password by using password. This is one way that you can manage your password protected post. So I'm going to show you another way, that the way you can manage your post, so which is we will use the filter hook option. So the filter hook is add filter, the hook is the excerpt, then your function name. For me the function is alpha the excerpt. Okay, so now I'm going to create my function. Function in this function I will get a excerpt. So then the rest of the work will go on by inside the function. So if I come to the index.php file, say if I delete this, if I make it the way it were previously, so sorry, my PHP tag has been removed. Okay, so if I write a condition here, so if posts password required, if If not, post password required. If not, post password required. Then we will return accept. So I have to make it inside the PHP file. Okay, now coming to the function. So we have to create a function if not post password required. If not post password required, we will return the accept. So return accept, not the accept. Otherwise, else we will echo get the password form. Okay, so if I go to the website, so it works same. So this is almost the same way that I show you previously. So you can manage in both ways. So it's your choice how you can. Okay, before ending the video, I'm going to show you another thing, which is I'm going to remove this word called protector. So this is looks so very bad. So it is destroying our website. So I'm going to remove this protected word. So for that I have to go to the functions.php. I have to write another filter, which is add filter, first one is the protected title format. Then the function name is alpha. So if you don't understand why I used alpha, because my theme name is alpha, that's why I used alpha title change, protected title change. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Now I'm gonna put the function. Okay, you have to return percentage. So if you don't understand what is percentage, it is PHP printf functionality. You can Google it as well. So if I now reload this, so the protected option is removed. So if I give locked, you can change the text as well. So it is locked. So it looks very nasty. I am making it empty. You can do whatever you want. So now reload this. So then the password field is showing. So if I give the password 1245, okay, so then our post is showing. If I go to the website, so then our post is content is showing. So that's it guys, I hope you understand. If you like this video, make sure like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.